And this is when the magic happens. Ricky Shoebio, we're here with the lovely team from Nanlite. We're in the Bronx right now doing an amazing concept that inspired me as a youth. So we got something special that we're working on for you guys. It's Black History Month, highlighting Busta Rhymes, Missy Elliott, Hype Williams, that late 90s style with a lot of the visual aesthetics they did. And honestly, I just hope y'all love it. So today we're using the Lindsay Adler kit that comes with 4 15Cs and 1 60C. It comes with Fresnels and barn doors and an all-in-one kit that can literally give you the power to create what you guys see before you today.
Get the bag, get the bag, get the bag, get the bag, get the bag,
The challenge here today with Lindsay's kit was to be able to say one kit all together, all grouped together, to be able to create at such a high level. We took the kit and literally are using the kit. Even right now, you guys may not see it, but listen, this is everything that's in the kit right now that we're doing to make this come to life. Our concept is Busta Rhymes today. So we took a little bit him, Missy Elliott, late 90s, early 2000s glamour with what we're doing. A lot of those Hype Williams videos. So we actually used 2 PavoTubes, one high, one low, to be our key lights for it and maintain that white on the subject and just for it to be there. And then we use the other 2 PavoTubes and then the 60C like we spoke to just add the color to the rest of the set. So we started with an orange warmer setup just to show the range. Where we're at now is the Woo-Hah video. And one thing I love about that, that's why you see this cyan in the back. One thing was there were stars in there and all that stuff was painted. We're doing it with light today without having to paint an entire set and hopefully accomplish the goal. Only thing for the star set, we do have a Forza 300, just pushing these stars is extra, but you can do that with another 60C, you can do it with a 60B. They all have the projection unit attachments and all that stuff, and you can create this same thing and other things. The fact that we're working with C models here means you can move through all colors with everything, even the 60C, and that really made it so it was easy to change and adjust. We wanted to highlight darker skin tones, highlight black skin tones, because there's some misnomers, some misthoughts about it, but you know, my style of approaching it is a little bit different than others are. So some may say like, you know, soft light's the answer. I actually think a harder light's the answer. I think this whole strip and light that you see on my face, because I don't get blown out as easy. So I know a lot of people may shy away from hard light in general when it comes to certain skin tones, and that is a practice for lighter skin tones because you don't want to blow out your subject. But when you have darker, richer, more melanated skin tones, don't be scared of hard light because you can make so much happen with it that can make it so much more dynamic from there. You get a full range of brightness to shadow to darkness to be able to mold and shape a face.